Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to grow new wandering Jew plants from simple cuttings in two different ways. One with a moss stick and another one without a moss stick. We will see how they grow and which looks better. So, let's begin. The wandering Jew is a beautiful indoor plant with purple and green striped leaves. It grows really fast and you can easily make new plants from stem cuttings. Using a moss stick helps it grow upward, while without one it spreads sideways, perfect for hanging pots. I am taking some healthy stems, each about 5 to 7 inches long with at least 2 or 3 nodes. Always cut just below a node, that's a part that will grow new roots. Avoid old or damaged stems, choose fresh and green ones. Now we have our cuttings ready for planting. Here I have two pots. This one has no moss stick in the center and the other one has, but have the same soil mix, garden soil, coco peat and compost, so we can see the real difference in growth. I will directly place my cutting in the soil. No need to grow root in the water first. Just insert the stem deep enough so at least one node is under the soil. That's where the roots will form naturally. Press the soil gently around the base and water lightly afterward. This one without moss stick, so it will grow outward and hang nicely. In the moss stick pot, I am planting all around the stick. As the plant grows, I will gently tie some stems to it so they can climb up. By the way, if you like, you can also grow the cutting in water first. Just keep the nodes inside the water and you will see roots in few days. You just need to keep the glass near the window and wait for 1 week. Once rooted, you can shift them into the pot. But as you see, direct planting also works beautifully. your pots in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh sunlight, it can burn the leaves. Water only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Mix the moss stick occasionally to keep it moist, that encourages climbing. And if any vines grow too long, trim them to make the plant bushier. You can even reuse those trimmers to grow new plants again. So here is the result. The one with the moss stick grows upward and look fuller. The one without spreads out beautifully, perfect for shelves or hanging baskets. Both are lovely, so you can choose according to your space and style. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple gardening tips. See you in my next video. Thank you everyone.